Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video, we're talking more about Jumbo Valentine's Day cards. We are in the middle of the season, so I'm just gonna walk you through like the processes of what everything's gonna look like from start to finish. No, this is not a tutorial because I have plenty of video tutorials that show you exactly how to do it, but just come along and I'm gonna share some tips, some advice, and I think you'll enjoy this video. All right, so I am in the middle of Valentine's Day season. I have 25 plus orders that I have done already. So as you can see, I do have my prints. I have several prints that I had to get printed. I had to design everything for these templates, which took some time. That's not even half of it, you guys. I have even more design prints right here. I would love to show you all of these, but they are personal photos, so I am not going to be able to show you my customers' personal photos of their kids, but I will show you this. This is what it looks like when it goes on the poster board. This is my daughter, so I am able to show you hers, but she wanted Minnie Mouse, and then my other daughter, she likes Stitch, so we created her a Stitch design, and these are the boards. Of course, this is another board that I did, and I got permission to share this photo right here. But as you can see, I put it inside a Cello bag. So this is a nice added touch. It just elevates it, gives it a more professional look to it. So I would definitely recommend doing that. So if you are looking at this video and it's after Valentine's Day, I would recommend that you still go ahead and get a design and go ahead and practice. I think these are going to be a great hit for Easter. Is coming up. You can use these cards and you can make birthday cards, jumbo birthday cards for your kids, and promote that if you choose to sell it or for personal use. But I would definitely get your prints done, practice with doing it, and then that way you're comfortable when Easter comes in. So since I love you guys so much, what I am going to do is I am going to give away a free template. I'm going to give away the Stitch template. One thing with Stitch, you cannot go wrong with Stitch because you can use Stitch for a boy, for a girl, for a little girl, little boy, big boy. Everybody loves Stitch. As you can see, my daughter, she's 16 years old and she still likes Stitch. So I am going to be giving you a free design. So I'm going to leave that link down in the description so you can definitely download it. I will also add a how to edit video to it so that way you can know how to edit. I would really recommend that you take advantage of this because like I said, Easter is coming up and we are going to definitely be doing more of these cards for Easter, okay? I did say Easter was coming up, so I am going to be working on Easter designs. So let me know if you would be interested in Easter designs. So if you would, just in the comments, just let me know. Just say, hey, Easter, yeah, definitely do Easter designs. So just let me know if you'd be interested in some Easter designs, and that's what I will be working on coming up next. And another thing that I wanted to mention is, even though you may be watching this after Valentine's Day, these are also going to make great gifts for birthday. You can tweak these and just take out the Happy Valentine's Day, make it say Happy Birthday, add a birthday balloon, add some element to it, and it is easily turned into a birthday card. So that is another gem that I want you to kind of keep in mind, not just for Valentine's Day, but other days that'll be coming up later in the year. You are going to definitely want to watch my next video that is coming up. I am going to be introducing you to something that is very near and dear to my heart. It is my first love. It is my craft of jewelry. So I am going to be doing a jewelry haul for my jewelry brand, Kirsty K Designs. So definitely be on the lookout for that. Again, I appreciate you for watching. If you do want to subscribe, if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you have not watched the video tutorial on how to make these Jumbo Valentine's Day cards, I will also leave a link to that in the description, okay? So I think that is all that I wanted to touch bases on. Again, I appreciate you for watching. But you should have known it. I wasn't going.